Hello, everybody. Welcome back to week 4 of connecting with your spirit guides. So, this week we're going to talk about how you can deepen that connection, and we're going to be using tools. I'm Stephanie with Immersive Spirit, and let's just jump into your tips for this week. So, first one, pendulum practice. If you don't have a pendulum, you can make your own. You can buy them easily anywhere. My dog's here to say hello. This is my pendulum, or one of my pendulums. This is one that I made. My sister and I have the matching rainbow fluorite crystals, and that's why this one it means so much to me. But just simply asking yes or no, it's a great way to get your guide involved in those conversations and allow your intuition to move your pendulum for you. A sacred object communication. I personally love my selenite wand. I'm a big crystal fan. For anybody who knows me, they know that. But crystal, any natural object, it can be anything that's special to you. Natural is obviously just a little more earth-based in connection, but it's anything that's special to you. Holding that while asking for guidance, because that is energetically anchoring you to get those messages to you. Another one is a random page message. So use a book and ask your guides a question, then open that book. Just a random page and let the words come out. See what those words are telling you. Use your intuition to see that, right? It's just like using tarot, oracle. You're grabbing meaning from something and you're using your intuition to open to that particular page. You can also do handwriting check. Handwriting check allows you to write with your dominant hand. So write the question to your guide with your dominant hand and then answer that question with your non-dominant hand. So in my case, I'm right-handed. I would write the message to my guides with my right hand, and then I would write my answer with my left hand. This gets your ego completely out of the way because that is not the hand you were used to writing with, and it lets your intuition flow. Last trick for this week is the sacred playlist hack. So put together a playlist of all your favorite sacred music. That may be meditative music, maybe that's, it could be any number of things. For me, I've got a whole rock and roll selection of music that I love. And then ask your guides for messages through the order of the songs, through the lyrics that come through, whatever that might be for you. So don't just put it on that automatic shuffle or do put it on the automatic shuffle, I guess, and see what you're going to get, because your guides are going to give you some different messages at different times, but depending upon your question. That's it for this week. Just remembering that tools are a powerful part of our journey. We love our tools. We use our tools in a lot of different capacities here at Immersive Spirit, and we'll be diving into our tools a little bit more with our 6-week program that is coming out, we hope, next week. So you're welcome to join us there if you're interested in learning more. We do have some courses on crystals. We have some for our paid members. We have some scrying. Our runes course will be out very, very quickly as well. And then, of course, a full course on tarot and oracle cards that's really in-depth. But I think that's it. So this one is done for this week. We'll see you again next week for tapping in and having those conversations with your spirit guides. I'm Stephanie with Immersive Spirit. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.